So what I did here was I drilled a bunch of 1/2-inch holes, and this is an exterior wall, so there is insulation, and I'm pushing all the insulation back because I can't get anything to drop behind the wall. And I did this because I'm going to be tiling over this wall. Here is the wire running to the other side of the sink, hidden from sight but still accessible. Here I added a screw for weight so I can drop the string down behind the holes. We must push the insulation as we go because it's going to press up against the drywall. There was electrical conduit running through the wall, as you can see right there, and I had to cut it out with my oscillating tool so I can get the string to get past the conduit. Now I'm using the magnet on the screwdriver to grab the metal screw. Now we could run the string in front of the conduit and continue down the wall. Made this little hook out of a bread bag tie, which I'm going to use to grab the string with. Now tie your wire to the string and pull it up the wall. Now you can see where the wires ran. It's just underneath the cabinet. Labeling your wires is always a good idea so anyone in the future knows what it is. These are just wire pads, just stick straight to whatever, and they have zip ties.